Good day, ma'am. I am Miko Baribas and I am 19 years old. So, ang topic, ang nasabtan ako sa Crim 1 kay itong father of criminology, father of classical criminology. So, ang old father of criminology, si Cesar Beccaria. Tapos, ang modern criminology, si Cesar Lombroso. Tapos, si Dean of Modern Criminology, si Edwin H. Sutherland. Criminology, according to Edwin Sutherland and Donald Creasy, process of making of law is criminals. Breaking of the laws, criminal and criminal behavior. Reaction toward breaking of laws is society. So, what is criminology and criminology? So, ang criminology is yahimo yan ng 1889, tapos ang criminology 1887. Tapos ang criminology, ang father naan kay si Rafael Garofalo, and Italian professor. And sa criminology, French anthropologist and ang yagkuan sini kay si Paul Topinard. Principal division of criminology. First, criminal etiology. So, cause of the crime. Example, anger, jealousy, or anything. Second, sociology of law. So, application of the law. Third, penology. Punishment or treatment of youth. Ay, example sa rehabilitation. Legal classification of crime. The following are the legal classification of crime based on the Revised Penal Code of the Philippines. A. According to law, violate. First, felony. On act or omission punishable by law, which of commit by mean of dolo or culpa and punishable under the Revised Penal Code. Felonies committed by means of dolo or called internal felonies, will this commit by means of culpa are called culpable felonies. Second offense, on act or omission punishable by special law or RAPD or ED. Third, misdemeanor. On act or omission is in violation of a city of municipal ordinance. Example siya ng mga motor na bura-bura. According to gravity felonies, those to which the law attaches the capital punishment or afflictive penalties. Second, least grave felonies, those to which the law attaches a correctional penalties. Third, light felonies, those to which the law attaches the penalty or aristo minor or a fine not exceeding 200 pesos. Sexual behavior leading to sex crime as to choose of partner. First, bestiality. Bestiality, sexual attraction to animals. Example, engage in sex act of a witch in animals. Second, incest. Sexual relation between family member or close relatives. Example, sexual intercourse between siblings or preteen child. Second, autosexual. Sexual attraction to oneself. Example, masturbating or taking explicit self-photo. Third, gerontophilia. Sexual attraction to elder individual. Example, engage in sexual activities with someone significantly older. Fourth, pedophilia. Sexual attraction to child, uh, generally under 13. Example, engage in sexual act with a minor. Necrophilia, sexual attraction to corpus, o corpses, or dead body. Example, engage in sexual act with a deceased person or dead body. B. Mode of expression. First, analgia or sadomasochism. Sexual gratification, truth, pain, and purely. So, ang analgia, sexual gratification derived from the infliction or reception of pain and or humiliation in encompass both sadism and masochism. Example, a couple engage in role play where one partner inflict light, consensual sparking while the other experience pleasure decay where is consist and negotiated boundaries. Next, sadism. Sexual pleasure is achieved through the infliction or pain on the sexual partner. So, ang sadism, sexual pleasure derived from inflicting pain or suffering on another person. This is only acceptable when all parties involved have freely and enthusiastically consented. Example, hypothetical emphasizing consist. A person derives sexual pleasure from lightly whipping their partner, but only after extensive discussion and agreement of our own safe words and boundaries. This cannot be done without clearly and enthusiastic consent. Third, masochism. Sexual simulation or obtained through the infliction of pain to oneself. Masochism is sexual pleasure derived from receiving pain or suffering. Example, an individual enjoy the sensation of being bound and gently teased before sexual activity. Again, consist and clear boundaries are crucial. Oralism. The satisfaction is obtained by the use of mouth or tongue. Oralism, sexual gratification achieved through oral stimulation of a genital or anus. Paxtans or filiatio, anilingus, and conilingus. Example, fellatio is a oral stimulation of the penis. Conilingus is oral stimulation of the vulva and clitoris. Anilingus is oral stimulation of the anus. All of this should be consensual. Fellatio, it is a licking and seeking of the male sex organ or penis, which a penile organ. Ang fellatio or oral stimulation of the penis. Example, a person perform oral sex on their partner's penis. So third, or six, anilingus. Anilingus is a licking of the anus of the sexual partner. So ang anilingus, oral stimulation of the anus. Example, a person licking and stimulate their partner anus. Last, conilingus. Cunnilingus is a licking of female genital or sisig marino bronchial lababo. Ang cunnilingus oral stimulation of the female genital vulva and clitoris. Example, a person perform oral sex on their partner vulva and clitoris. Next, pluralism. Pluralism is a sexual festival. Pluralism is this refer of sexual activity involve multi-people or more than two. For example, giving sexual physical is standard terms and maybe the specific local terms or a misspelling in likely donates a group sexual encounter. Likely donate group sexual encounter. Last, trialism. This refer to sexual activity involve three people or specifically one man and two women. Next, part of the body. This fiction categorizes sexual act based on which body part are involved. The acronym FCPU appears to be a customs grouping and not standard terms. First, frottage. This refers sexual activity involved the rubbing or genital against the body of a partner without penetration. The goal is sexual gratification through friction. Example, rubbing one's genital against the partner's tight or buttocks. Partialism. This focus on sexual arousal and gratification derived from a specific body part of partner. This arousal is about the whole body but a specific part. Example, someone might the exclusive aroused by feet, hair, or other specific body part. Third, Uranism. This term is outdated and is now considered offensive. It historically referred to one's same sexual activity, and this definition is linked to the description given. The description emphasizes oral stimulation or licking and manual stimulation, holding breast and genital fingering. Last, sodomy. Sodomy, this is outdated and stigmatizing terms historical used to describe anal sex. The definition describes penetration of the anus with a penis or other object. Example, anal intercourse is that. Next, definition of terms. Criminologist, the study crimes cause, prevention, and behavior. Second, applied criminology, practical application of criminological theories of prevent and investigate crimes. And theory development, theory construction, connecting no and no factors to create theories. Example, linking poverty to crime rates. Second, theory building, systematic development of theories using logic and mathematics. Example, development a mathematical model predicting recidivism. Third, theoretical integration, unifying theories to explain various crimes. Example, combining psychological and sociological theories to explain juvenile delinquencies. Fourth, theoretical specification. Analyze theories, details, and variable interaction. Example, examining how education level affect crimes rates. Fifth, theoretical elaboration. Exploring theory, implication, and computational addition. Example, considering how economic factors influence crime rates. Next, core concept. Number 1, variable. Measurable factor influence crimes, etc., crimes rates, and criminality. Example, age, gender, socioeconomic status, and next, typologies. Classifying criminals, offender, and behavior. Example, categorizing offender by crime types, violent, property, white collar. Third, prediction. Forecasting crime patterns and trends. Example, predicting seasonal, punctuational, in burglar rates. Next, principal division of criminology. First, sociological of law. This division of criminology attempt to offer scientific analysis of the condition under which penal or criminal laws are being developed as a process of form social control. So, ang sociological of law, examining how social factor influence the development and enforcement of criminal law. Example, how societal norms shape drugs laws, impact of society media on cybercrime legislation. Third, influence of racial bias on sentencing policies. Second, criminal etiology. The division of criminology attempt to provide scientific analysis of the cause of crime. So, ang criminal etiology, investigate the cause and correlates of crimes. Example, link between poverty and property crimes. Second, effect of childhood trauma on violence behavior. Third, relationship between substance abuse and crime. Third, penology. Penology, this division of criminology, is concerned with control and prevention of crimes and the treatment of youthful offender. So, ang penology, cause on crime control, prevention, and rehabilitation. Example, prison reform initiative. Third, community-based rehabilitation program. Third, restorative justice appropriate. Next, general types of law. First, natural laws are rooted in core values shared by many cultures. Natural laws protect against harms to persons or property and form the basis of common law system. In the Philippine setting, natural laws therefore are those crimes contained in the Penal Code or RPC when in the called mala in si. So, ang natural law, universal principle protecting human rights and dignity. Transcending culture, variation, example, prohibition against murder, rape, and assault. Second, protection of property rights. Third, basis of common law system. Second, statutory laws. Statutory laws are engaged by legislature and replace current cultures more, albeit some laws may be controversial. Laws that prohibit marijuana use and gambling, Marxist criminologies, conflicts criminology, and critical criminology, crime and the most relation between state and citizen are non-consensual, and as such criminal laws is not necessarily representative of public belief and we wish. It is exceed in the interest of the ruling or dominant class that more rights wing criminologists tend to post that there is consensual social contract between state and citizen. In the Philippine setting, statutory laws are those penal law created by the Congress, House of the Representative, and Senate, within called mahala prohibita. Therefore, definition of crimin will vary from place to place in accordance with the cultural norms and more, but may be broadly classified as blue collar crime, corporate crime, organized crime, political crime, public order crime, state crime, is it corporative crime, and white collar crime. So ang statutory laws enacted and legislature reflecting current social norms. Example, laws prohibiting marijuana use, gambling, traffic regulation, tax law, Philippine setting penal laws created by Congress, mala prohibita or prohibited by laws. The last is divine of laws. Are those rules inherent in the holy book for the Christian that they called in Bible? Hence, Christians have their 10 commandments. However, divine laws vary depending on the religious denomination each person belongs to, since the world is composed of various religious convict to explain and engage. Example, ang divine laws, religion principle guiding behaviors. Example, Christian 10 Commandments on Bible, Islamic Sharia laws or Quran. Sa Hindu, Dharma or Vedas. Second characteristic of criminal laws. First, generality. It provides that criminal laws in binding on all persons who live or sojourn in the Philippines territory. So, ang generality, universal applicability of criminal laws to all individual within territory, regards or of status, position, or nationality. Example, a foreign tourism committing a crime in the Philippines is subject to Philippine criminal laws. And second, territoriality. In the state, the criminal laws undertake to punish crime committed within the Philippines territory, with the exception provided under Article 2 of the Revised Penal Code. So, under territoriality, criminal law applies to crime committed within a specific territory. Example, a murder committed in Manila is prosecuted under Philippines law. Second, a crime committed on a Philippines registered ship or aircraft and subject to Philippines law regardless of location. And third, exception diplomas, international organization and specific threats may grant immunity. And third, prospectivity. Prospectivity. In state the penalus cannot make an act punishable in manners in which in was not punishable then commit those crimes are punished under the laws enforced at the time of their commission. Ang prospectivity kay criminal laws cannot punish act committed before the laws or expose facto laws. Example, a person commit theft in 2022, a stricter penalty introduced in 2022, the person cannot be tried or represented under the new laws. Next, there are 7 development of national prison in the Philippines. First, Bilibid Prison. In 1847, Root Section 1704 of a revised administrative code of 1917, it was first located in Manila Prison, construct the Truth Adapt Stone, which is still stand today and used by Manila as its city jail, which is located near the Central Market of Manila, otherwise known as Mayhaligi Estate. Second, San Ramon Prison and Penal Farm. It was established in southern Zamboanga on August 22, 1870 through a royal decree promulgated in 1869, established during the tenure of Governor General Ramon Blanco. The facility as originally established for prison convicted of political crimes. Third, Iwahig Penal Colony. Its facility was established during the American occupation. It was, however, during the Spanish rime that Puerto Princesa was designed as a place where offender sentenced to establishment were exiled for correctional institution for women. Established in January 22, 1959, submitted in commits created by Administrative Order Number 287 by the President of the Philippines. It was not thus before a separate building was constructed specially for women prisoners. All female convicts were confined at the old Bilibid prison of Aun, Ascaraga, East Manila. The male prison was confined. Fifth, Davao, Davao Penal Colony. In the first penal statement, founded the organized under Filipino administration, the settlement, which originally had an area of pro- approximately 30,000 hectares in the district of Panabo and Tagum, Davao del Norte, was formally established on January 22, 1932 by virtues of Act Number 3732. This act authorized the Governor General to lease to sell the land, building an improvement in San Ramon Prison and Ihiwag Penal Colony, and also granted authority to the Secretary of Justice establish a new prison and penal colony and establish a sultan public land. 6. New Bilibid Prison in 1935 was transferred of Muntinlupa from Manila and was renamed New Bilibid Prison, which a land area of 447 hectares housed more than 50% of total national prisoner nationwide. 7. Sablayan Prison and Penal Farm. Nearer to Manila than the other, established on September 26, 1954 by virtue of Presidential Proclamation number 47, which the total land area of 16,190 hectares. It is facilitated with prison farm NBP are brought for recognition purpose. The colony was established under the directorship of Attorney Alfredo M. Bonye. Lastly, Leyte Regional Prison, established in January 16, 1907. Third Proclamation number 1101. It has a land area of 801 hectares. That prison was established under the directorship of General Vincent R. Rabal. Next, executive clemency. First, pardon. A pardon is a forgiveness of a crime, and the penalty associated with it is guaranteed by the foreign power such as a president or chief of staff, which is either absolute pardon or conditional pardon. So ang pardon, forgiveness of a crime, and is penalty guaranteed by a foreign power. So absolute pardon is unconditional forgiveness. So ang conditional pardon, forgiveness with condition. Example, community service or probation. Example, President pardon a convict felon, restoring their civil rights. Next, amnesty. Amnesty, from Greek amnestia, oblition. It is an act of justice by which the supreme power in a state restore those who may have been guilty of any offense against in the possession of innocent person. It is include more than pardon in as much as it obliterates all legal remembrance of the offense. The world was the same route as amnesia. Amnesty, complete forgiveness, erasing all records of offense. Restore individual to innocent status. Eliminates all legal consequence. Example, government grants amnesty to individual involved in any government protest. Third, reprieve, a temporary delay in imposition of the death penalty by the executive order of the state. Reason for reprieve include the possibility of newly discovered evidence, awaiting the result of some last minute appeal, or concern of the executive that there may have been some error in the record which he or she should examine. On occasion, a reprieve, the date of execution can be reset and the death penalty imposed. A reprieve in only a delay and it's not a rejection of sentence, commutation of sentence, or pardon. So ang reprieve, temporary delay or execution, allows of further review, appeal, reason new evidence, mental impairment, or potential record error. Example, governor grants reprieve to a death row inmate to investigate new evidence. Last, commutation of sentence. It involved the reduction of legal penalties, especially in the terms of imprisonment. Unlike communication does not nullify the conviction and it's often conditional. So ang commutation of sentence, reduction of legal penalties, reduce sentence severity, offense condition, does nullify conviction. Example, governor commutes life sentence to 20 years imprisonment. Next, parole. It is an instance by which prisoners are released on the basis of their response to the correctional institution and service program, and by which they are provide with necessary control and guidance as they serve the remainder of their sentence in the free community. So ang parole is a conditional release program allowing prisoners to serve the remaining sentence in the community under supervision. So, example, successful parole. John, convict of theft, participate in rehabilitation program, demonstrate good behaviors, and in release on parole. He find employment, attend counseling, and meets regularly with his parole officer. Second example, parole revocation. Michael, convict of assault, violate parole conditional by testing positive for drugs, an association which prohibited individual, his parole is revoked and he returned to prison. What is criminology? According to Edwin Sutherland, it is a entire body of knowledge regarding crimes as a social phenomenon. It is included within this scope the process of making of laws and the breaking of laws. Under Republic Act number 11131, the Philippine Criminology Profession Act of 2018 refers to the scientific study of crimes, criminals, and victim. It is also deals with the prevention act of prevention and solution of crimes. As to the strategies, as to the stage in the commission of crimes. First, consummated crimes. All act of execution was performed produce of felonies. Second, perpetrated crimes. All act of execution was performed does not produce felonies. Third, attempted. All act of execution of produce a felonies does not perform. What is mala insi and mala prohibita? Mala insi is evil, it is. Ang mala prohibita refer to the act which would not be wrong but for the fact the positive law prohibited it. Ang mala insi, very beginning you know that it is wrong. And there are three types of school of thought. First, classical school of thought. Ang classical of thought kay rational choices theory, child, tapos mga inuod, tapos Prevelian og doctrine. Og reliable no distinction. Tapos second, neoclassical of thought. Prevel gyapon yan pero aroy exemption of child sa mga hinod o aroy doubt sa utok. Last is positivist. Kay way exemption naan tanan pwede makulong. Next, plurality of crime. Simple crime. A single of constitution, only one offense. Simple crime, theft. Stealing a phone is a single offense. Assault, physically attacking someone is a single offense. Second, complex crime. A single act constitution two or more grave felonies where one is necessary means of committing the other. Complex crime, robbery, taking property using force or intimidation combined that the assault. Second, rape of murder, kidnapping with extortion. According to length of time of the commission of the time. First, instant crime committed in the shortest possible time like death. Instant crime committed in a short time frame, example, theft, robbery, and assault. Second, episodal crime commit by a series of acts in illegal length space of the time like serious. Episodal crime commit through a series of acts over a length period. Example, embezzlement, serial murder, human trafficking. And next, according to the place or location. Static crime committed in one only one location, such as the theft and robbery. Second, continue crime committed in a committed in multi place like education, or abduction and kidnapping, human and human trafficking. Next, according to the way of mental faculties. First, rational examine. Rational examine committed which intent and the offender is an appeal position of the Senate, meaning and know that what he is doing and understand the consequence of his action. Explain that rational crime, also known as crime with intent, occurs when the individual commit of offense with deliberate intention, full aware of their action and the consequence. Example, premeditated murder, theft, fraud, robbery, embezzlement. White collar crime, committed by a person belonging to the upper socioeconomic class in the course of his occupational activities such as insurance, fraud, medical malpractices, and falsification of documents. And second, blue-collar crimes, committed by ordinary professional criminal to maintain his livelihood, like picking, snatching. Next, crime volume and crime rates. Crime volume is the number of crime reported as it is classification whether either of non-index and give period. Crime rate is a measure of the rate of occurrence of crimes committed in a given area, and crime rates is a compute formula. So ang crime rate, o kami ng crime rate volume, total number population 1,000 plus mga 100,000. There are 5 pillars of criminal justice system. First, law enforcement. PNP, PD, PDC, BLPDIA, Bilibid. Ang law enforcement conduct investigation. Tapos, prime move or initiation of the cause. So, ang law enforcement, may ang mga suspect. Second, prosecution or preliminary examination. The person is not yet arrested. The person not yet detailed, regular. So, ang prosecution, ng mga responder. Next, third, court alignment and plan. Ang pre-trial, trial, o final judgment, ang accused. Next, correction. Ang mga PLD or person requires liberty. Ang ikalima, kami ng community. Ang mga community, ang mga clients. Ito ang 5 pillar of criminal justice system. Next, penology. Penology is study of treatment or of offender. Peno means pain of suffering. Logy is study of punishment, or penology, penal science. Correctional, a branch of CGEs which the custody and supervision of criminal offenders. Under our code of King Hammurabi, eye for eye, eye for an eye, tooth for a tooth. And there are age of enlightenment in 18th century. Gauls amayng jail neran. Tas ang gali, it's transportation meaning sakyanan niran tong para sa pasingod sa kulungan. Hawks is abandoned worship use house prisoner, meaning abandon na worship naghihimo na ng presuhan. Next, specific deterrence or individual deterrence. First, core ad 1. Ang core ad 1 institutional, correctional, or maniya kwa na ng BGMP o BACOR. Ang core ad 2, non-institutional, correctional. Tas there are triangle of BILG. First, BGMP, PNP, and BFP. Ang BOG or BACOR, Bureau of Correctional, there are 7 prison of penal farm above 3 years. Ang BILG or BGMP, below 3 years, and there are municipal jail, city jail, district jail, and provincial jail. Sociological theories and studies. First, differential association theories or DAT was developed by Edwin Sutherland, who proposed that through interaction with each other, individuals learn that value, attitudes, technique, and motive for criminal behavior. He defined differential association, which is general theory of crime and delinquency that explain how deviants come to learn, and motivation and technical knowledge for deviant or criminal activity. Also, he authored the leading text criminology published in 1927, first stating the principle of differential association. In the third edition, retailed principle of criminology, that the development of habitual patterns if criminals arise from association with those who commit crime rather than those who do not commit crime. So ang differential association theories or DET, si Edwin Sutherland ang yaka-develop sini. Tapos next is differential identification theories developed by Daniel Classer. Daniel Classer maintained that a person pursue criminal behavior to the extent that it identify himself with a real or imaginary person. From this perspective, his criminal behavior seems acceptable. A person with the propensities of become a thief will consider this a thieves as their ideal person to identify themselves. The identification needs to be a intimate person association, but it may be than identifying themselves and character in movies, radios, and television. So si Daniel Glasser, yan ang develop ng differential identification theories or DIT. Thus, explain how individual adapt criminal behavior by identifying with other who make such as behavior seem acceptable. Tapos next, imitation suggestion theories of Gabriel Tardy or IST. Diligence that crime are matter that are learned adapt the learn process may either be conscious type of typing or imitation or un, unconscious or unconscious copying suggestion of confronting pattern of behavior. The pattern of crime like fashion may easily fade, may last for a long time, and may be transmitted from generation to generation. It may also spread from the place to its origin going outward to the periphery. So si Gabriel Tardy, imitation suggestion theory or IST, explain how delinquency and crime is spread through. Thus next is differential association organization theories or DSOT. This is something called social disorganization. Disorganization. This is social. This is social disorganization where there is a social change, conflict of value between the new and the old. Some individual consequently break through the line of social control, and the society has difficult in meaning effective social order. There is social disorganization when there is lack of well-defined limit to behavior, a breakdown of the roles and absence of defined role for the adolescents to play. So, ang differential association organization or DCO theory, also known as a social disorganization theory, explain how social change, conflict, and lack of clear norms contribute to deviant behavior. Thus, next is conflict of culture theory by Thorsten Selin. This theory emphasizes that complicity of conflicting culture is the principal source of social disorganization, the high crime and delinquency rate of certain ethnic or racial group or is explained by this expose of diverse and encourage standard and codes of the large society. The high rate of population mobility aggravates the culture diversity and exposure of children to varied culture. The more complex that culture become, the greater is the chance that the norms of various group will conflict. So si Thorstein-Silin conflict of culture theories or CCT explain how culture diversity and conflicting norms contribute to social disorganization of crime and delinquency. Thus, next is contained theory by Rickless. According criminal is brought about the inability of the group court contain behavior and that effective containment of the individual of the value system and structure of society will minimize that crime. Rickless released that urban life contain many temptation to commit crime. He suggested to he suggested to the commit a crime, the individual must break through a combination of outer and inner containment. We call probability, except the inner contain is a reference to self-control and outer contain to self-control. His man focus of concern. However, as a inner contain, outer inner contain, it was suggested. Could control our behavior even when explain internal environment was changing. Yes, again, it was a parents who were seen as the most influential source of control behavior. Reckless considered 4K factor to be. So si Walter Reckless content theory in 1973 explained criminal behavior as resulting from delinquent containment of individual behavior. 7. Anomy theory by Emil Durkheim. The term anomy is derived from Greek, whereas means without and nomos means law. In Greek, nomos refers to law, while an refers to starting rules, axiom, principle. Anomy in modern English significant state an individual um, marked by a lack of standard of value, a response to the societal regulation distinct from anarchy, which represent a lack of effective leadership role. So, si Emil Durkheim anomy theory in 1893 explained how societal disorder and anomalies contribute to deviant behavior. And 8 is Robert Agnew strain theory or general strain theory in the 1990s. Agnew asserted the strain theory could be central in explain crime and deviance, but that I needed revision so that it was not tied to social class of culture variable, but refu- refocused on self-generated norms. He therefore proposed a general strain theory that is neither structural nor interpersonal but emotional and focused on an individual immediate social environment. So si Robert Agnew, General Strain Theory or GST in 1992 explained how emotional strain leads to deviant and crime. And 9. Symbolic interaction. It is through the phenomenon of Edmund Husserl and George Herbert Smith. This perspective released on the symbolic meaning that develop and rely upon in the process of social interaction. Thus, society is true to be socially constructed through human interaction. People interpret one other behavior, and it is interpretation that from the social bond. So, ang symbolic interaction or SI emphasis how individual create meaning through social interaction shaping society. Antin is drift theory. Although, although it was not presented as a social control theory, David Matza in 1964 also adopted the concept of free will. Delinquent youth were either complied or commit to their delinquent action, but were simply receptive to other more conventional tradition. Those delinquent youth were drifting between criminal and non-criminal behavior and were relatively free to do whether take part in delinquency. So si David Matza established ikuha na nining drift theory in 1964, explain juvenile delinquency as a result of drifting between conventional and deviant behavior. And that's right. 11. Routine activity theory. Routine activity theory developed by Marcus Filson and Lawrence Cohen draw upon control theories and explain crime in terms of crime opportunities that occur in everyday life. A crime opportunity requires that elements converge in time and place, including the following: a motivated offender, suitable target of victim, lack of capable guardian. So ang routine activity theories or ROT or RET developed by Lawrence Cohen and Marcus Felson in 1979 explain crime as opportunities arising from everyday situation. Tapos next is labeling theory by Bakker and Lemert. Labeling theories propose that deviance is social constructed through reaction instead of action. In other words, according to this theory, no behavior is inherently deviant on its own. Instead, it's the reaction to the behavior that makes its deviance or not. It argues that anyone facing such as overwhelming negative labeling social reaction will eventually become more like that label become that only way out of their identifying formation. It's point out the something it's bits to do nothing, and that their few reintegrative ritual designed to help people fit back into their community. So ang labeling theories developed by Howard Bakker and on 1963 and Edwin Lemert in 1951 posit the deviance is socially constructed through reaction. And 13. Control theory by Travis Hirschi. Hirschi control theories is significant to crime prevention. This approach is also called as a social bond or social control theories instead of looking for factors that make people become criminal. This theory tries to explain why people do not become criminal. Thus, Hirschi identified for meaning characteristics such as following: attachment to other, belief in moral validity of role, commitment of achievement, involvement in conventional activities. So, si Travis Hirschi control theories in 1969 explained by individual conform to societal societal norms.